In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use live chat with Salesforce support. Whether you're dealing with a complex issue or just need a bit of guidance, getting the right help can make all the difference. Live chat with Salesforce support is a fantastic tool that lets you connect directly with a support engineer in real time. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, let's head over to help.salesforce.com. Open up your web browser and type in that URL. Once the page loads, you'll see a variety of support options. Today, we're focusing specifically on initiating a live chat. So, the first thing you need to do is log into your Salesforce account. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so now. You'll need your usual login credentials for this. Logging in is crucial because it allows Salesforce to pull up your account details automatically, so they can provide you with the most relevant and personalized support. Now that you're logged in, you'll notice a text box that asks, "How can Agentforce help?" This is your opportunity to provide a brief description of the issue you're facing. Take a moment to succinctly describe your problem in the provided text field. The more specific you are, the faster the support team will be able to understand and address your issue. Think about the exact steps you were taking when the problem occurred, any error messages that might have popped up, and any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. Once you've described your problem, look for the option to request a live chat. This isn't just a neat feature, it's your gateway to connecting directly with a Salesforce support engineer who can assist you in real time. This interaction is highly beneficial when you're dealing with a complex issue or when a back and forth over email or support tickets might be less efficient. After you request the chat, you'll be placed in a queue. Typically, the wait time isn't long, but it can vary depending on the time of day or the volume of requests. During your chat session, be as clear and detailed as possible. When communicating with the support engineer, they might ask additional questions to zero in on the root of the problem. Feel free to ask questions yourself, whether it's about resolving the current issue or preventing it in the future. And that's it. Now you know how to use Salesforce's live chat support to get the answers you need quickly and effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your support experience with Salesforce. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out.